I'm back. Yep, this is video number 2 today with listing number 2 today. And I'm here live on DeSoto Parkway in Satellite Beach, Florida. Hi, my name is Karina Daninger with Keller Williams, and I cannot wait to show you this 3-bedroom, 2-bath updated pool home right by the beach. So, shall we take a look? Right now, I'm on the very pretty DeSoto Parkway. This driveway is actually spectacular. It's nice, big, long, and round. Plenty of space. Really pretty landscaping. Great curb appeal. Look how adorable that is. Big garage. This garage, I actually have to step back so you can see. I don't even know if I can put it in the camera. It's huge. Nice, big garage. It's very spacious in there. Let's go on in because it's hot out here today. So we're going on in. The home has new security system, Ring doorbell, lots of upgrades, beautiful pool home. I love the entry in this one. Tile, check out the tile all the way through, really pretty tile. When you first come in, on the right hand side, you're greeted by a really quaint but spacious dining room. I love how the owner has this all set up. Makes you just want to like move on in. All right, then as I pan back around, we'll go back over there. You have your living room in the front room when you first walk in. Out that slider will take us out to the back oversized patio. It's huge back there with a brand new swimming pool. Yeah, isn't that beautiful? That's really nice. I'm gonna swing to the left. Hey, Murphy, no kidding. All right, well, come check out this house. We'd love for you to see it. All right, so we take a turn and we're in bathroom number 1. Hey, Diane, it looks like I'm at the right stop. Everybody's been living on this street at some point or growing up here. So maybe you can put some comments in there about how much you love living here. For the people that are not from the area, it would be great. All right, beautiful Listello. My last video, I explained that this here is Listello. Beautiful tile, bathroom. Nice tub, deep tub to soak in. Beautiful hard surface countertop. Gorgeous shaker cabinets. As we go on through, we're going to take a right and we're going to run into the first bedroom on the left. It's actually a large bedroom. Plenty of space. There's 2 twin beds in here. Nice lighting, natural lighting. Great closet space. Lots of floor space. Just really adorable. Freshly painted. So clean and neat. It's the perfect little beach home. All right, now we take, we'll go left first. Fooled you. All right, so now bedroom number 2. Beautiful bedroom, queen size bed in here, plenty of space on either side, 2 windows. You get a lot of great exposure, and you're gonna see, so nice. Ceiling fans in all the rooms. Really drop your bags, move in ready. You would think you were a guest at a swanky little cottage here, the way she lives. All right, awesome king size bed, 2 closets in the master with walk-in closet. You have nice lighting, natural lighting with the windows. Huge bedroom. I'm gonna stand back here in the corner and see if I can't pan it around for you. I mean, it's really big. It's hard to show on the videos on Facebook Live, but it's a very large bedroom. Double sinks in the master. Again, shaker style cabinets, nice countertops, double mirrors, beautiful light fixtures, gorgeous walk-in shower, really pretty. I love that floor in there. Really pretty tile, more of that Listello that I love so much. Really nice and spacious. All right, so I know we all want to see what's going on in the kitchen, the family room, and of course, where our 3rd living room is, which is the backyard. Thanks, Diane, for posting some comments. I appreciate that. All right, so here we are. Family room, sliders out, gorgeous ceiling fan, beautiful windows. As I pan around, look at this kitchen. This kitchen is spectacular. I love the backsplash. I love the counters. I love the shaker cabinets. So clean, neat, and refreshing in here. Stainless steel appliances, really nicely laid out. So pretty. And it's part of the living room. It's nice and open rolling floor plan. So, everybody congregates to the kitchen. Thanks, Jessica. I appreciate it. It is gorgeous, and it shows even better in person. So pretty. Look at this. This tile actually rolls on out to the patio. And I'm going to stand back here for a second because I'm about to blow you away. Look how long and deep this patio is. It's almost, more than half the length of the house. It's huge. It's screened in. You have pavers out here with the concrete around the pool. The pool's new. The owner had it put in within the last, I think, 12 months. And so it is bright out here and hot here in Florida. But look, you have a nice little bit of green. So if you have dogs or kids and you want some grass, you got a little bit of grass, but not a whole lot to maintain. Great spot for the grill and eat-in kitchen outside. Entertaining. Again, look back. Look how great that patio is all the way across. So spectacular. I mean, it's big. It's awesome. You have a nice sized swimming pool. Really nice. All this is new back here. So perfect. It's picture perfect, really. And on a day like today, that's warm, I'm ready to go for a swim. So let's see if you have, let's take a look for a minute. All right, so look how long this patio is. It's a great size. So you're not going to spend your time doing a whole lot of yard work. You can cut the grass and enjoy your Florida living lifestyle at its finest here in Satellite Beach. So many things to do in Satellite Beach, from cooking to dining. Quick trip over to Lowe's over in Indian Harbor Beach. You have everything at your fingertips. Great schools are in Satellite Beach. Shopping, not far to work. You can play, live, vacation right in your backyard, which is so spectacular. So this house is coming on the market tomorrow. The photographer's finished just a little bit ago. I'm on my way back to go start getting the listing finished. Jill is busy at work at her desk wrapping up the paperwork too, and I can't wait to show it to you tomorrow. I'll post the listing right on this video, so if you want to see the listing and the photos, they turned out spectacular. I can't wait. And if you have any questions, contact me. I'll have my information on the list on this live video. This is Karina Daninger, Keller Williams. Have a fabulous day. Stay healthy and stay safe. Have a great day.